Welcome my channel. Today let's explore. In 1966, a new era of Australian currency began. Australia transitioned from the imperial system to the decimal system, and with it came a brand new set of coins. Among these was the 10-cent coin, a modest, silver-hued piece that marked both a technological and cultural milestone. Let us journey through the full story of the 1966 Australian 10-cent coin, featuring Queen Elizabeth II, exploring its history, design, geographical relevance, and its status in both circulation and collector markets. Decimalization, 1966. On February 14, 1966, Australia officially adopted decimal currency, replacing the old pounds, shillings, and pence system. The 10-cent coin replaced the florin, worth 2 shillings, although in value it was slightly less, 1 florin, banners 20 cents. Queen Elizabeth II. The obverse of the coin features a young Queen Elizabeth II, as Australia was, and still is, a constitutional monarchy under the British Crown. The portrait was designed by Arnold Machin, a renowned British sculptor whose effigy of the Queen became iconic and widely used throughout the Commonwealth. The 10-cent coin, though minted for nationwide circulation, reflects Australia's identity through its reverse design, the Superb Lyrebird, Menura novaehollandiae, native to the forests of southeastern Australia. This bird is famous for its elaborate tail feathers and incredible ability to mimic sounds, a fitting symbol of Australia's unique and diverse wildlife. Features Queen Elizabeth II, facing right. Inscription: Elizabeth II, Australia, 1966. Designer: Arnold Machin. Reverse, back. Depicts a superb lyrebird with ornate tail feathers forming a near-symmetrical pattern. The numeral 10 is prominently displayed. Designer: Stuart Devlin, official goldsmith and designer for the Royal Australian Mint. Coin specifications: Country: Australia. Year: 1966. Value: 10 cents, 0.10 AUD. Metal composition: 75% copper, 25% nickel. Weight: 5.65 grams. Diameter: 23/60 mm. Edge: milled shape, round, minted at Royal Australian Mint, Canberra, and London Mint, UK. These were mass-produced for everyday use. Over 64 million were minted in 1966. Circulated coins will typically show wear, light scratches, loss of luster, and possibly dings or tarnishing. These coins are common and, unless in exceptional condition, hold only minimal value above face. Never used in commerce. Sharp details, no wear, and original mint luster intact. Often come from mint sets or proof sets. Can be graded by professional services, e.g., PCGS or NGC. A 1966 10-cent coin in MS65 or higher condition may command $10–50 or more, depending on the market. The 1966 10-cent coin is not rare in general circulation. However, collectors seek proof versions from the Canberra Mint. Error coins, e.g., off-center strikes, double strikes. Uncirculated coins with high grades. Coins struck at the London Mint have slight die variations, making them collectible. The design of the 10-cent coin has remained unchanged since 1966, a testament to the enduring legacy of Stuart Devlin's work. Still accepted in circulation today and widely used across Australia. Its resilience in design and function mirrors the stability of Australia's economy and cultural identity. The 1966 Australian 10-cent coin is more than just currency. It's a small yet profound piece of history. It marked Australia's leap into the modern decimal system, celebrated national wildlife, and continued a royal tradition. Whether in Ewin's A Coin Collector's Album or jingling in a pocket, this coin remains a timeless link to Australia's past and its evolving story. Would you like a PDF or formatted article version of this? I can also add images or comparisons to other coins if you're preparing this for a visual project. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, share, and subscribe more coin collecting content.